Good morning, Andrew Marquis, CrossCountry Mortgage, themarqueeteam.com. Happy Monday to everyone. I'm reporting in with Monday morning rates here for the week of September 9th. Starting off with conforming rates with 1 point. Rates are continuing to slowly decline quite favorably. 30-year fixed is at 5.825%. 20-year is at 5.375%. 15-year is at 4.875%. Moving on to jumbo with 1 point, 30-year fixed is at 5.65, 10-year arm 5.5, 7 and 5-year arm at 5 1/4. And my topic for the week here is going to be talking a little bit about refinancing. We're getting a lot of questions about it. The purchase market is picking up very nicely here as we enter the fall. I think we're going to see more sellers and buyers, but switching gears a little bit here just to educate people on refinancing because we've had a lot of questions. And I think the first one is, when does it make sense to refinance? You know, clients say they read online that unless they can go down a full percent, they shouldn't be refinancing. And I would say that's very much a misnomer because it really depends on what's your loan amount, right? Like if your loan amount's $2 million, isn't that going to be a much different calculation than if your loan amount's $150,000? So the easiest way I explain it is it's a cost benefit analysis. How much are you saving and how much is it costing you to save that money? In a lot of cases here, we're doing refinance loans for very little closing costs, and a lot of cases, no closing costs. So even if you're only saving a couple $100 a month or $300-400 a month, if it's costing you next to nothing or nothing, why not save that money? And then if rates go down again in 6 months or 3 months, we just do it again. You know, take the savings while it's available because the future is unknown. We never know what's going to happen. Rates could go back up. We just don't know. And the beauty of this is you don't have a prepayment penalty, and if closing costs are low, you can refinance, 4 or 5 times if the rates keep coming down. So just keep that in mind. As far as like refinancing term times, you have people saying, well, other lenders tell us we have to wait 6 months. We service most of our loans, and so we allow you to refinance in as little as 90 days. So think about it. If you close, you pay a payment or two, and then we do a refinance and lock your loan for 60 days, you're closing just 3 months later on a lower rate. Like I said, little or no closing costs, saving money monthly. So it's really a great option where we can refinance you as a client or for your client really ASAP. And then the last one to mention today is government refinancing. So whether you're on an FHA loan or a VA loan, a veteran's loan, you have options to refinance with a streamline. With VA, it's called IRRL, interest rate reduction loan. With FHA, it's called streamline. But what does this actually mean? Less documentation, no appraisal required. We don't have any loan level pricing adjustments. So if your credit score is no longer as good as it used to be, we don't care. You're still going to get a much lower rate. We don't charge any underwriting fee on these. Most of them, we don't charge any closing costs at all. So if you're in a government loan, FHA or VA, you should 100% be looking at refinancing. These rates, in a lot of cases, are in the low 5s right now. So take a look. And then if you have a rate of 6.5 or better, on any kind of loan, a jumbo, a conventional, you really should be looking at refinancing. Let us run some options for you. See what it looks like. It's no obligation. So, but like I said, I see the purchase market really starting to pick up. I think this is the week for that to get really, really busy, more inventory. So if you have questions about pre-approvals or bridge loans or home equity lines of credit, please reach out to my team and I anytime. Again, it's themarqueeteam.com, and hope you all have a great week ahead. Thanks for tuning in.